did she do to my schedule? Oh my gosh.
Excuse me?
Oh, my bad. Sorry. Damn.
Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Flip it, pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like I see.
Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I would like to do a Bantu knot tutorial. Now, I've never done Bantu knots on my hair, but we're gonna get into it. You know, this is a series on me learning my natural 4B, 4C hair. You might see my lovely sister in the video. She's gonna help me do the back, but please pay Chief Keef no mind because I don't know.
Wow.
You do, you look like Chief Keef. Okay, I'm sorry y'all. But yeah, we're gonna do Bantu knot. Keep watching, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so I am working on freshly washed hair and then I'm detangling. You always want to make sure that your hair is super detangled. That's super important. Okay, so this is the size we're gonna do for these. We're not gonna do too big or too small. First, we're gonna do the back and then I'll show you guys how the front process. Okay, now in my opinion, you can do this style on wet or dry hair. This is my first time doing Bantu knot, so I can't really tell you which preference, which one I prefer. But my hair was semi-wet. It wasn't too wet. It did dry a little bit, but yeah, so you can do it on wet or dry hair. I already put my Camille Rose leave-in or moisture milk by the dew, or the dough? The dew, I'm pretty sure that's the dew. What are you talking about?
I'm super just dingling.
Why would you do that? Oh my god, bro. I'm trying to shoot content and look at you. No, y'all don't do this dumb shit. Look at hers. Okay, so you twist it at the base and you want to pin it to your head. Hold the pin. I hope I'm explaining this right, but hold the pin and twist as you go. So
Once you get a good firm base, you can just continue to twist it.
this one, but you want to make sure that they're super tight. Like, you do want to make sure that they're super tight. See, that one's not tight because it's moving so much. You don't want that. Okay, so right here I'm just greasing my scalp. I left these in for about 2 to 3 days, and yeah, now I'm ready for the takedown. Let's see what we got going on. Now, some of these were still wet, so I did have to go back in with my hair blow dryer just to, make them completely dry. You don't want to untwist or unravel if they're wet. It could give your hair a certain look, like you'll see at the end, but just make sure your hair is dry. So if you need to go in with a blow dryer, go in with a blow dryer. The finished look. What do you guys think? I don't know, I feel like this is like a really cute curl pattern or manipulation, like this is really cute, but for me, this is giving me Annie vibes. Like, not Annie Are You Okay, but Annie the Orphan, that's what this is giving me. So I don't know, y'all. And this is why me and natural hair, this is why I'm trying to learn the different strokes of this natural hair life, because looking 12 is just not, we are fully grown out here, okay? I can't look like a little kid, and this is giving me, I don't know, it's cute, but it's cute. It's not, you know what I'm saying? Maybe we should just throw on some lashes, maybe then. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching.